Hello everyone, good morning. So can anyone confirm audible or not? Can you hear me? So the last class where we stopped. The last class where we stopped. Come on. Class where we stopped. Unmute and talk.
Promises.
Right? Okay. So how to handle asynchronous action results? Okay, how to pass asynchronous action results? Action results. How we can?
Using callback and or promises.
Okay, one is like by using callback. Another one is like
Promises.
the next one is what? Observables also or not. Observables also or not. Okay, how to handle promise? Promise. How we can handle promise?
Then and wait.
Using then. The next one is what? Yeah, wait. Yeah, wait or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Promise is which type? Promise type.
Functional class.
Yeah, it's a functional class or functional class or okay. Okay, new promise. Okay. Here, let's take common arguments. What is that argument?
Two arguments.
One argument.
Yeah, my arg is what?
Callback function.
Function or not. It is a function. Okay, that take common arguments. That function.
Two arguments.
Function called by promise by passing common arguments. Two arguments or not. Those two arguments are like which types?
Functional.
Function.
Callback function.
Right? Functions, right?
Yes.
Function.
Okay, promise call the callback by passing how many arguments?
Two.
Okay, how many arguments? Okay, two arguments or two arguments. Okay, type
Functions.
both two arguments are like functions or yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, okay then. So yesterday we written some code like this. I have a function print false. Let's take common arguments. Okay,
Two arguments.
promise. Okay, two mandatory arguments, right? What are those? One is like number of cards, another one is like text. Next here. Here
Callback function.
callback.
Promise object. Yes.
Return promise.
You have to create an object for what?
New promise.
Promise or not? You want me to keep the object with me? No, you can
No.
return that promise. Return that promise. Promise by common arguments.
Two.
One callback function as an argument or this callback function called by promise by passing how many arguments?
Two arguments.
Two arguments. The type is what? Functions or
Functions. Yes.
so here you can write your stuff. Okay, what? Console.log of start printing parts. Next. Okay, process is going on. Okay. Okay, activity completed. Console.log of okay, done. Okay, once it is done, now maybe successfully completed, maybe failure. Action completed. Okay, if where is success is like true, tell me if is a success. Come on, you have to give what your success response. Otherwise, your failure response. Come on, if it is success, A of number of cards. Okay, next B of 0 like this. Yes or no? All are agreed?
Yes.
Okay. Next. So, can you talk about the print cards? Print cards function returns me what?
Promise object.
The number of cards printed is 0.
Yeah. Okay. Print cards method returns me a promise first. Returns me a promise. Okay. With some result or not? What is that result? Either success or failure or not.
Yeah.
Okay. Top level, my print records method returns me promise or not. Any function returns promise in JavaScript. How many ways we can handle it? Any function returns me promise in JavaScript. How many ways we can handle it?
2 ways.
2 ways.
Two ways. What are those?
Then await.
Then and await. So if it is like a promise, can I handle with then first? Then is which type? Then is which type? Function type. That's it. So now my print records method returns a promise. I handle with then or not. The print records method returns me a promise. Okay, returns me a promise. Okay, with some result also, right? Yes or no? That result also you have to handle it or not. That is the next level. How we can handle the result? How we can handle the result?
Do function.
Yeah, if you pass that data with my first argument, okay, then which argument is going to execute? Then which callback is going to execute? First callback or not? You are calling A means, okay, in my then which function is going to execute? First function or not? If you are calling B means, okay, my then which function is going to execute?
Second function.
Second function or not? First function and second function both are like calling with some data or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, if it is like calling with some data means, okay, the function should handle the data or not. So these two functions take some data or not as a argument. All are okay?
Yes.
So for good. Okay, now here, okay, console dot log of what? Distribute parts. And then, okay, and then console dot log of received parts, distribute parts, and start the program and end it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Control dot log of the end. Done. Okay, now output tell me one by one. Whenever you call print cards, okay, so start printing cards executed. Okay, it's going on, it's done. Okay, now you are calling A means, okay, you are calling A with through whom? Promise, right?
Promise.
So it returns, okay, some result through promise. Okay, any function returns some result through promise. How we can handle that promise first? 10. Okay, so first argument or second argument in this case? You call first argument or second argument?
First argument.
First argument. See this, is success is true, right? So that this
Yes.
one, number 8 execute. So if it is like a first argument, then that time
First function will be called.
to call, received calls, distribute, start and end. Okay, can I write like this? What is my output?
It will call again first method only.
Second method it will.
Yeah, say this. I already told, right? You called first one means here, then first function will execute. You called second one means second function will execute. Say this. Okay, so start printing the cards. Next, going on, done. You call first one or second one. See here. Line number tell me. 8 or 10?
8.
Line number 8. Yeah, you are right. Line number 8. Okay, line number 8 is what? You are calling A or B?
B.
B is nothing but what? First or second?
Second function.
Second. If it is second means then which function is going to execute?
Second function.
Second one. Second one out. Yes or no? So still it is success. Still it is success. But say this function is executed, right? So say it is always recommended like, okay, A, B, your choice. If you call failure result with A, if you call success result with B, no problem. See this. This is on the proof, right? This is on the proof or not? Console.log of, what is that? Console.log of second one. Second one is for what? Find some other shop, right? So no.
Yes.
Now call this into pot. Can I add here? Go to console. Go to console. Now come here. Yes, done. Now can I call my print cards now? Can I call my print cards? Yes. Now come here. What's my output? Tell me. What's my output? You are calling B. B means find some other shop. Say this. Find some other shop. But here, if you observe, it's a success or failure.
Success.
Success.
Success. But you called second one. Okay, you pass the success response with my second function call or not? Yes or
Yes.
no? But
Yes.
here, okay, here I already written like this. That is wrong, right? So that what you have to do? This logic you have to write here, and this logic you have to write here or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
That is in your
Yes.
hand, right?
Yes.
Recommended thing is what you know most of the times. Okay, first one you can use for what? Success response. Second one you can use for failure response. If you not all use also any problem, no error, right? But recommended one is what? First one is for what? Success. Second one is for what? Failure. So okay, naming convention also what you know most of the times. First one is what? Success, right? Resolve. Okay, second one is what? Reject. Second
Okay.
one is what? Reject. Okay, AB you can use it, XY you can use it. Resolve, reject is like a recommended names. Okay, naming convention wise. Got my point? Color okay?
Yes.
Good. Okay, now can I call this? Can I execute this one? Okay, come here, print method, loaded. Okay, next, can I call this? You call resolve or reject? You call resolve or reject?
Resolve. Resolve.
Resolve means first one.
Success.
Then first function. So executed or not? Say this. It should execute. Now, one point, extra point I want to discuss. See, start printing. Okay, going on, done, received cards, distributed cards, start to end, and finally observe here. What is this? Observe here. Come on. Once one function got executed, if there has some value printed, means that value is what?
Promise.
Return.
Return value.
Function execute return value or not? Yes or no? So print cards method returns a promise. You handle with then. Okay, my then function also returns me what? Come on, my then function returns a promise or not? So if
Yes.
my then function returns a promise, how we can handle it? How we can handle it? By using
Method.
no. Then function. See, very simple.
Then
Cards method returns a promise. So you handle with what? Then. Then also returns what?
Promise.
Promise. Then how we can handle it? By using one
Then.
more then. Any problem? Any problem? So now say this. Agreed or not? Syntactically 100% valid or not?
Yes.
yes.
Okay. The next.
Here, second then also return promise, right, sir?
Second one also returns a promise. So this one returns a promise. It is handled. This is returns a promise. That's the reason, right? One more promise. See this.
Okay.
So for good, everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, one question, like what is the point of using promise here? What we are achieving by using it?
A second promise, right? Second promise you are talking about.
The concept of promise.
Mhm.
So how this is helpful for us? What we are achieving with this one?
Okay, asynchronous action results, if you want to send it back, promise is like one way. Okay, callbacks also one way, but callbacks means, okay, there has multiple callbacks. If you write, there has some issue like a callback hell. Okay, it is not recommended to place like multiple callbacks again, calling again and again.
Okay.
Got your point? Okay, to avoid that one, just you can use like a promises to pass an asynchronous action results back.
Okay.
Okay, the goal is like what? Shop people has the cards. Okay, they are already printed. That cards you have to give it back to whom?
Customer.
College people. So college, how we can pass? How many ways are there? We are talking about. How many ways are there? We are talking about. Here, print cards is like which kind of action? Synchronous or asynchronous?
Asynchronous.
Asynchronous action or asynchronous action result. How many ways we can pass? How many ways we can give it back to caller means callbacks, promises, observables, promises we are discussing now. Got my point?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, sir, in that case, so the statement of dot then, so will this logic sit with the student side end, or it is still in our server itself?
No, who called these print cards first? Who called these print cards?
College.
College people, right? College people or not?
So
So,
even this code sits with them itself.
second,
So this code has to sit with them, isn't it? Not at
yes,
the
college
server.
people only. College people only. Say this. This one, okay, is with the shop people. Shop people told like, hey, once my cards printing completed, I'm going to give the cards back with promises. So that you are looking for what? Looking for what? Promise only, right? My shop people told like, okay, hey, once my cards printing is completed, I'm going to deliver that cards through promise, like that. You are looking for the promise only or not? College people.
Yeah.
Yes or
Okay.
no? So whenever the college people call this one, they handle what? Promise or not?
Yes. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Then. Any questions, anyone?
No.
Anyone have any questions?
So then we can write any number of, right? So,
Yes. Then you can write any number of thens. Why? Because okay, then also returns me promise. So you can write this. Then also returns me what? One more promise. Okay. If you stop also, no problem at all. Got a point? Okay, when exactly we are going to use multiple thens, you know? Okay, our next fetch method, multiple thens only we are going to use. Say this. Here, function print cards there. Print cards. Okay, returns me what? Come on, function print cards returns me what? Then.
Promise.
Promise.
Promise
Returns
of
right. So how we can handle it? By using?
then.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, by using then. Okay, with how many records?
2.
Okay. With how many cards? Okay, how many cards? Okay, 100 cards or whatever it is. So here, okay, this particular one handling like only receiving the cards. This guy is handle and distribution purpose. I am going to give it to some other person. Okay, so here what kind of logic you have to write? What kind of logic?
Getting
Another
cards only.
Saved,
Cards.
card, that is only my work. Okay, you have to distribution purpose. You have to give it to whom?
Another person.
Some other person. So that what you have to do? You have
Again
to
calling on.
my number or not? Yes or no? You have to return
Yes.
it. Okay, once you return that number, my then through promise only it's written. So how we can handle it? Come on, how we can handle it?
Then
One more then or not? Now
Yes.
here can you start the distribution? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
okay.
Okay, like that. If you want to split the functionality, then you can go with this. Okay, can I execute that one also? Now this one, right?
Yes.
So received the cards. Okay, here can I return what? Data.
Data.
Once you return this one, okay, this one is what? First person. First then. Okay. Now this is what? Second then. Okay. Function. Okay. Number of cards he received. Okay. Here distribute. What? Number of cards. Yes or no? Who is this guy? Console.log of second then, right?
Yes.
Second then or not? Now,
Yes.
okay, anyway, okay, in between if you get any error, okay, some other person has to be taking care. Now can I click on enter? Now check it. Start printing the card, shop people, going on, shop people done. Okay, who receives that?
First person.
First then received or not?
Yes.
Okay, first then received, he give it that cards to whom?
Second.
Distribute.
Return to second one. So the second person come into the picture. So second then come into the picture. Second then what he did? Distribute the cards and starting, ending. In between any task, if you want to hand over to another guy, my second then should return or not? It is go to where?
Sir, here we are returning from first method. Then it will call again first method only,
Yes.
right?
Okay. If you return this one, no errors, nothing means you are return from first function. So that first function is going to execute.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
Any questions? So finally, then returns me what?
Promise.
Another promise. Yes.
Okay, returns me a promise or not. Okay,
Wait,
next.
when does the second then trigger, sir?
Second then when means, okay, if my first then returns me some value, then
Yeah.
that time second then, okay, which
Oh.
okay, from where? Okay,
Okay.
from first
So
function.
if
So that-
if it doesn't return value, if it console.log finds
yeah,
some other shop, second one will not happen.
yeah, if it is not written anything, okay, that means he not assign any work to this guy. It returns a promise, but no value, nothing. Got my point? Okay, see this. Okay, now come here. Come here. See this logic. This logic. Can I write here? Okay, this logic. Okay, I not written any data. I not written anything. Okay, tell me the flow. Come on. First then received, distributed the cards. First person only taken care. Started, ended. Okay, it's okay, fine. So returns me what? Then. Come on. Then returns me what?
Promise.
Promise. If the promise returned, if you handle the promise, then that time, if you know error means first function, if the error is there, second function will execute or not. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, here my start, okay, going on, okay, done. First then, okay, find shop is that is this one only. First then received the codes. Okay, can I refresh the page? Sometimes unexpected outputs you can get it. So can I go to my print cards? This is the one. Okay, can I call the method? Which method you want me to call it? Come on, this one, right?
Okay.
Can I click on enter? Okay, what happened? Okay, something, okay, exception raised, right? Number is there or not there?
Not there.
Not there, right? That's the
Yeah.
reason. Okay, that's the reason it gives me some error. Okay, so don't worry about that one data. Okay, now click on end. Now see this. Start printing, going on, done, first then executed, first person, okay, executed, distribute the code. So start to end. Okay, then returns me what? Then returns me what? Come on.
Success message.
Then
Promise.
returns me what?
Promise.
Promise.
Okay, so if it is written a promise, you handle the promise or not?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
You handled means, okay, if there is no error, which function is going to execute?
First function.
First method.
Okay, if the error, second function. So that my second then executed or not. But do we have any responsibility given to second function, second guy? No, right?
No.
Then that why I need that? Then that why I need that?
No, no.
Don't write it. Don't handle it. That's it. Got my point?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then function returns me promise. That is not in your hand. Already predefined. JavaScript people written. Okay, that is not in your hand. Okay, so that if you don't want, don't handle the promise. That's it. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So for good.
Yes.
Any questions, anyone? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay then. Now another way. Shall we go with another way? Okay. Now here, stay this. There has multiple thens are there. Multiple thens are there. Multiple thens are there. This is what? For what? We are handling this one for what? Error response, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Error response or not. So I want to handle all the error messages in a single place. Then that time, how you know? Okay, then returns me. 1 second. Yeah. Now see. Okay, print cards. Then first function always when it's going to execute, tell me resolve, right? Yes or no? Then second function reject, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this second function you can handle another way. How you know? Okay, if you want to handle the exceptions, okay, we have one keyword is there. What is that? Catch.
Dot catch.
Catch. Okay, now can I use catch also to handle that exceptions? That means errors.
Yes.
Yes.
So that means whenever you call the result, first it is looking for which method in the then.
Catch.
First method.
No. First looking for which method in the then. Second method. There or not there? Tell me.
Not there.
Not there. If it is not there, it is go to catch.
Catch.
If the catch is there, catch is going to execute. For example, if it is there, then that time,
Second method executed.
then that time,
Second one.
console.log. Okay, it is like what? Reject. Okay, this is what? Console.log. Catch. This is what? Console.log. Resolve. Resolve. Can I remove this one? Now my output is what?
Reject.
If it is like reject, my output is what? Reject or catch?
Reject.
Reject.
Reject. If it is there, that particular function is going to execute. If it is not there, only looking for what? Looking
Catch.
for
Catch.
okay, catch or not. Okay, when it is useful catch, you know, okay, more, okay, that means chaining is there. Here also one more than. Here also one more than is there. Okay, see, error is common for all. Then the time, don't write here and here and here. Can I write the common catch for all?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. If it is like a chaining, recommended to use like a catch. Okay. So any exception occurred. Okay. So success is okay. Any failure occurred. Who is the responsible person? Catch is going to take care or not. Agreed?
Yes.
So for good, everyone. Okay. Shall we go to the await keyword now?
Yes.
Await keyword. Let's start.
Yes.
Okay. Function print chords. Okay. This is my actual function. Okay. This is my actual function. Okay. Remove everything. Now my function print chords returns me what? Come on. Print
Promise. Promise.
We can handle it by using
Then.
okay. And failure catch. Now
Catch.
on we follow this syntax. Okay, another way is what? Another way is what? Print chords returns me what? Promise. If it is returns a promise, we can handle by using what? Which keyword? Come on.
Await.
Await keyword or not. Just prefix that particular promise return method with await. Okay, perfect. Now this particular method returns a promise so that I handle with await. Inside the promise, what we have? Come on. Inside the promise, what we have?
Success.
Some response, right? Success or failure, some response or not. So
Yes. Yes.
that response can be hold it by using a variable.
Yes. Sir.
Or no? Now, this response is what? This response is what?
Success or failure.
Success or failure. Got my point? Read. Await is easy. Single line only or not?
Yes.
ES6 keyword. Okay, shall we? Okay, let's start. Now, this is my print chords. Okay, this is my print chords. Done. Now, can I call it print chords?
Yes.
Okay, print chords of 100. Okay, returns me what? Returns me what?
Result.
Promise.
Response.
Returns a promise. Then how we can handle it? By using
Await.
Await.
and returns me what? Some result. Some result. Okay, now tell me what is my result? What is my result?
Number.
Result is what? Result.
Result. Result.
Which is number. Number is what? 100 or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Come on. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Agreed? Okay, if it is like a result, then that time? Then that time?
Zero.
Okay, it gives me 0 like that. Now come here. Okay, here you have to write some exception handling related stuff. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, now this is false. False. Okay, now print records returns me what?
0.
Zero.
Print records returns me a promise. Print records returns me a promise first.
Yeah.
Okay, how we can
Yeah.
handle it? By using
Await.
Await.
await keyword. Now it returns me what? It returns me what? Some result or now it is what? Now it is what? Response is already there. That's okay. Okay, now use like a. Okay, now see this. My a value is what?
Yes.
A value is what?
0.
Here itself, you have to handle this one by using try catch. Okay, we'll discuss that exception handling. Okay. So for good. Come on. All agree with me?
Yes, sir.
0 is correct result or this is exception, you say, sir?
Okay, this is like, okay, this result.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, if you write like try catch, then that time this unpart will not come. You can get the proper error message. You can see. Okay, exception handling we'll discuss. All agree? So for good. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to start with fetch method. Okay. Now the same example. Okay. Jax one only I want to handle by using what now?
Fetch
By using fetch method. Okay. As I said, how many ways? Okay.
Three.
We have discussed 3 ways, right? Now
Three.
this is the time for fetch method. Okay. Let's start. Now if I click on the button, okay, you send a request to server, you can get this response or not. How to send a request to server? See, how to send a request to server? By using which method?
HTTP.
No. Here, which method you use? XML HTTP request or not? You want XML HTTP request or fetcher? No.
Fetch.
You want
Fetch.
method or not? So can I delete everything? Okay, I need these things, right? These things I needed or not?
Yes.
Okay, this one you can keep with you. Okay, remaining all, can I delete it?
Yes.
Remaining all, can I delete it?
In
Okay.
real time, which one is better way, sir?
Okay, most of the times, okay, fetch method we are going to use, Anxious, third-party library also we are going to use.
Okay.
Okay, so let's talk about the fetch method. First, fetch is a predefined JavaScript. Which type? Type is what?
Function.
Is a function type or not? If you don't know, simply go to your developer console window, go to console. What is the method name?
Fetch.
Fetch. Okay, it is a function or it's a class?
Function.
Function.
A function. So if it is a function, can I call it? Like,
Yes.
fetch method returns me what?
Promise object.
Promise.
Fetch method returns me a promise or not. Agreed with me?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So my fetch method, which is used for what? Say this. Okay, your URL you have to place it. Your URL to whom you have to send the request. So syntactically, it's take one mandatory argument. What is that argument? Your
URL.
URL. What is my method name?
Fetch.
Okay, method, no. Request
Get.
method name is what?
Get.
Get method or not. If you not mention any method name in the configuration object like this, okay, the default method name is what, you know? The default method name, what, you know? Get only.
Okay.
Okay, so my fetch method send a request to this particular URL with which method? With which request
Get.
method?
Get.
Get.
Okay, then fetch you not return. Okay, JavaScript people return. So they returns me a promise with some result or not. So you know how to handle the promise. If the method returns a promise, how to handle the promise, you know. How to handle the promise? By using
Then
Constant.
and
Await.
then and await. So that can I go with then? Then one. Then how many methods is it going to take?
2 function. 2.
Okay, 2 functions, right? One is like success, another one is like failure. Failure can I handle with what? Now onwards.
Catch.
Catch.
Color, okay. So my then first function executed, it means what? My request got completed
Success.
with success. My then second function executed, it means what? My request got completed with failure or not. So can I get the response? Can I see the response? Can I print it?
Yes.
Or no?
Yes.
Now can you come here? Can I refresh this? This one. This
Yes.
one. Can you come here? Inspect it. Okay, can I go to my console? Okay, can I click on the get users? Now I can get some response or not?
Yes.
What's my response? Okay, status code is 200. This is my URL, like that. Some response I got it. But my required data, there are not there. Tell me. My required data, 10 users, there or not there?
Not there.
Not there, right? My required data is not there. So that, okay, that means this guy is not able to handle it. Can I confirm like that? This guy means this then not able to handle it. Then what you have to do? Can I give the responsibility to some other person? Any problem? Come on. Any problem?
No.
No, right? This is not my expected output. Okay, in this my output is there, but this person is not able to, okay, give me the correct exact output. So that, okay, in this particular response, I have JSON data is there. Okay, can you return that? I want the data. Can you return it? Okay, I want the data. Can you give this responsibility to some other person? Okay, if my then returns me some data, my then return type is what? Actual return type is what?
Promise.
Promise.
So can I handle with then again? Any
Yes.
problem?
Yes.
Okay. Now, whenever I given this data to this, then this person is going to, okay, take your required data and give it to you. So that can I say this is what my data or my response or whatever it is. Okay, can I print that response here? Console.log of what?
Yes.
Response.
Okay, this person is like first person. Okay, log of first then. Okay, this person is what? See, this is the syntax. Okay, don't think more. Okay, you have to write every time two thens. Okay, fetch syntax is like that. Second then or not. Now, can I click on enter? Okay, can I save it? Can I click on get users? Observe, observe.
Yes.
First then, second then gives me the required output to me or not. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is my fetch method syntax. Okay, see this. I will show you. Okay, what is that? JSON placeholder.com. From here, see the fetch method, how it looks like. How it looks like. Observe. Observe. Fetch method send a request, returns what? Promise, and it is not able to give me the proper response. Okay, response is there, but is not. I wanted the JSON format so that you can get the JSON by using second then or not. Yes or no? Okay, can I give the proper name like JSON only? He said like JSON, right? Can I use like a JSON only? Agreed. Understood? Now you have the data or not? Where is my data? Come on, where is my data? Here is my data. Okay, if you have the data, you want me to keep with me or you have to update within the state variable?
Update the state variable.
Update the state variable. You know, right? How to update the data in the state variable. How you can update? Like this.
Similar.
That's it. Okay, console.log of catch. Okay, exception occurred, then we can see. Now, can I refresh the page? Simply, okay, get users. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
By using fetch method. Okay. Okay. Now the same example only. Okay, same example only. This okay. The same example
And
only.
here,
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
sir, here returning and executing second then, right? Instead, we can save that one in one variable and update the state variable.
No. Okay,
No.
here. Okay, the responsible second person only will take it syntactically. See
Oh.
this. You return the response. He is not able to do anything with that response. That guy limitation is up to there only. Okay, limitation. Okay, he can get the response. That's it. Okay, if you want the JSON and everything, you can give that response data to second person. The second person, okay, this JSON method is there, right? It's a predefined one. Whatever the JSON data is there, that data you can get it here.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Okay, here my required output is not there. So that you can get the required output by using which predefined method? By using which predefined method?
Yes.
JSON. So that if you return that one, okay, that value go to where? Go to where? My then
Second.
returns me promise. Okay, so that you can use with then. Okay, if it is like a success data, my then first function is going to execute or not? With what? With your return data. What is it return? This JSON is going to take what from the response? Your 10 users or not? Agreed?
Yes.
So why don't you just print RES in like the first done?
Okay, here.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I print it, see the required output is not coming. That is the problem. If I get the required output, I can stop there itself.
Yeah.
Okay, if I come here, okay, if I click on the get users, see this. This is the right console.log of log of 1 comma response. Okay. Now console.log of 2 comma response dot JSON also. Okay, multiple values I am trying to print. Now see this. Now observe here. See, one is what? This is my response object. In this JSON data is there or not there? Tell me. Not there. That means in my response, my required data not there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, response.json. Okay, response.json. Okay, JSON is a predefined one. That guy also, he not gives me the data. He gives me the data like what? With promise only or not? Yes or no? Direct data he is giving. Is he
No,
giving
no.
direct data? No, right? If he gives the direct data, here itself I can print set data of response.json or not. But this JSON predefined method, is it gives me the direct data? No, right? Through promise only. See this? Yes or no?
So you have to take the promise.
Yeah. Okay. So that finally here I don't have my required data. So that whatever he written a promise. Okay, JSON method returns a promise, right? Okay, maybe he returns a promise with some data. So that data, okay, you can handle here. So that data only, right? My required data. So that can I stop there itself?
Yes, sir.
Got my point? Color okay? Okay, simply here my required data in my response, my required data is not there. Okay, if you want to get the required data, I want to call one predefined method called as a JSON. I need a JSON, but this guy also not directly gives me the data. He gives me what? With promise only. So that you have to handle that the promise only or not by using that. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I go with await now? The same example I want to go with await. Stop.
Sir, I have doubt.
Await. Same example I want to do by using await. Come on. Right. Fetch method returns a promise. So can I handle with what?
Await.
Yeah, right. But one thing you have to keep in your mind. See, whenever you return await keyword inside one function. Okay, listen. Whenever you return await keyword inside one function, that function should be what? Async function. That the reason await and async is like combination. Okay, got my point? Whenever you return await keyword in one function. See, here I not written that one in any function, right? That the reason await is not required for me. Here directly I written. Yes or no? Am I written inside any function? Await? No. So here await I written inside one function or not? Read it. Await expression are only allowed within the async functions at the top level of the module. Like that is said or not? That means what? Whenever you return await keyword inside the function should be what?
Asynchronous.
Async or not? Okay, not gone. This one gone or not? So fetch method returns me what? Come on, you can promise.
Const. Yes.
Okay, constant. Okay, fetch method returns a promise so that I handle with the await. So finally, within the promise, it gives me the result or not? Yes.
Yes.
So first step, first then is nothing but this one. Okay, I handle with the first await. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First promise is nothing but this. Here first promise is nothing but first await or not? Yes. In this response, we have the required output or not having?
No.
Not having. Then you have to call which method?
Then
JSON. First JSON, right? Then only, right? You can get it. JSON also returns me what? Come on. We already printed promise. Then how we can handle promise?
Then
Await.
then or await.
Then or await. Okay. Now it returns me what?
Data.
Your JSON data or not? Yes or no? Now once you have the JSON data, what do you want me to do with that JSON data? Tell me. Set
Update the state.
update the state variable or not? So can I delete everything? Yes or no? Now can I refresh the page? Will it work or not? Which await? Can I click on the get users? Yes. Working as expected or not? Okay. Many error occurred. Okay. Then that time, can you wrap this one with what? Exception handling. Anyone knows? With what? Catch. Then and catch. In the catch, if it is like a failure, what do you want me to do? Set data. That is what?
Empty.
I
And the exception message, if you want to add it, how you can add the exception message? Console.log of E or not.
Dot.
Okay, separate discussion of exception handling. Okay, we'll see. If it is a failure, then that time it is going to execute what? Catch method or not. Okay, my data is what? If it is like a failure,
Empty
empty.
array.
Okay, if it is a success, it is not go to the catch, right? It will not go to the catch. Okay, when exception raised in the try block, then only it go to the catch block. Okay, this try catch we'll discuss. We have a separate concept, exception handling. There we can discuss. Up to here, okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So you handle by using then by using avoid. So shall we move the same example by using anxious third-party library? Shall we?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Control C, Control V. Okay, now rename it anxious. Okay, very simple anxious. Very simple. Okay, first thing. Can I run this one? Open with live server. Okay, now inspect it. Okay, console. XML HTTP request. It is what? It is a class.
Class.
You not declared. Okay, you not declared anywhere, but still it is not gives me any error. Means it is a predefined one or not? Yes or no? It's a predefined class. Predefined JavaScript class. So fetch also what? Predefined JavaScript function. But anxious, you not declare. See this, you not defined. At the same time, JavaScript people defined or not defined?
Not.
Not defined.
Not defined. That means what? You not defined, JavaScript people also not defined, so that it gives me an error or not. First of all, if you want to work with anxious, you have to get that anxious library and you have to load it or not. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So no. So
Yes.
I get that anxious third-party library. How my React library? Same like that anxious. So can I get it from internet?
Yes.
Where you can find from anywhere. CDN link, content delivery to network. CDN. Okay. Now from here you can get it. See this anxious. Can I copy this one? This link? Can I copy? Anyway, I will share, right? Okay, no issues for you. Okay, can I save it? Okay, where you want me to save? Our batch is what? 15.6, right? Okay, anxious. 3 libraries are there. I want to add one more library. Yes, perfect. Now can I go to ours? Anxious is there or not there? First question. There or not there?
Not.
Not there. Not there. Can I make it available anxious? Okay, how you
Yes.
can make it available?
Third party library.
Adding
Just
it.
load it. Okay, script source equals to anxious.js. Okay, can I go to my source? My anxious should be load now. There are. Now can I go to my console? Check. Anxious is there or not there? Yes. There or not there?
Yes.
On. Anxious is there. It's not gives me any error. Now by using anxious, I want to send a request to the server, right?
Yes.
I want to send a request to the server, right? Okay, so how we can send a request? Get method. If you want to send a request, anxious dot which method do you know? Get method. Okay, if you want to send a post request, anxious dot post request. If you want to send a put request, see this predefined methods, put request. Okay, put request. Okay, anxious dot. Okay, next delete request. Like this, multiple request methods there or not there? Among these, which method you want me to use it? Come on, as per our requirement.
Get method.
Get method. Perfect. You are right. Get method. So that if it is a method, can I call it? Now observe. Anxious dot get method returns me what? That is my question.
Promise.
Promise. Perfect. Promise or not? Anxious dot get method returns me what? A promise or not? Now, can you come here? Can you come here? Can I delete everything? Can I delete everything? Can I delete it? Okay. Now, come on. Anxious dot. Which method?
Get.
Get.
Method. To whom you want me to send a request?
URL.
Okay, this one or not? Get method returns me what?
Promise.
Promise.
So how we can handle the promise?
Then.
Wait.
Then the next one is what? Okay,
Catch.
failure response is a catch. Now this is my response, right? Okay, can I save it? Okay, can I print it? So my required data, there are not there. Can you check first?
Yes,
If
sir.
required data is not there, can I give the responsibility to some other person, another than? Can we check it first? Can we check it? Okay, will it work or not? Now, can I click on get users? So here, okay, extra stuff is there. Okay, but my required data, there are not there.
Yes, is there.
There.
Yes, they
Yes.
are right. Yes, they are right. Okay, then the time you want me to go for next one? Why?
No, no.
No.
Why? Okay, I want response dot what? Data.
Data.
Now, can I come here? Yes. My 10 records there. If my 10 records there, what do you want me to do with that? What do
Update
you
this.
want me to do with that? Can I update it? Okay, if it is a failure, can I update with empty?
Yes, sir.
Well, if you know the promises concept basics, okay, you can easily understand or not. Or no? Okay, the same thing. All right. Okay, the same thing. Can I go with what? One.
Await.
Promise with them, na? Okay, I want
Await.
to.
Await.
Await.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's start. One change, simple change. Tell me.
Then we need to remove.
Yeah, you have to write try. Next,
Await.
catch. Okay, first you can write this black. Okay, console.log of your exception. If you want, you can print it. Write the stuff now. Anxious.get returns me what? Come on.
Await.
Miss-
Get
Promise.
returns me what? Promise.
Promise.
That can I handle with what?
Await.
Await.
Await is inside the which function?
Function.
You have to make
F and
this
get
function
used.
like what? Yes,
Async.
function or
Async.
Async.
function
Async.
or not. Okay, let me delete it. Async, right?
Yes.
Async function or not. Done. Now it returns me what? Returns
Response.
me what? Some response or not. Okay, response. So much stuff is there. Can you see this? So much stuff is there. Response. Now can I run this one? Open with live server. Okay, can I inspect it? Yes. Okay, can I go to my console? Okay, in my response, so much stuff is there, but you want which one?
Data.
Data, yes, something what you want. Okay, data. So that here, what do you want me to do?
Update
Response
this
for data.
Set data of what? Response
Response
dot
dot
data.
data.
or not. Okay, here my set data is what? If it is like failure, empty. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now can I refresh the page? Working. Working.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
On. So the same stuff can you apply for remaining 3 examples, Ajax 2, Ajax 3, and Ajax 4?
Yes.
Already code, logic, and everything with you. Okay, you need practice. That's it from your end.
Okay.
Can you? Yeah, working people you can drop. So come on, remaining people. You are practicing or not? Did you stuck with something? Let me know. You stuck with something.
Sir, we are using the JSON API. From API, we are getting JSON objects. So if I create my own from Spring Boot, so can I use that?
Yeah. Okay, that is our next level discussion. I will tell. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to create Node.js. You can create from Spring Boot. Okay, that one our end-to-end flow. End-to-end flow. You can get some more idea. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's okay. Fine. You know, right? How to create the Spring Boot application and okay,
Yes.
create endpoints. You know, right? Just create endpoint first. Create
Okay.
endpoint. Okay, instead of my URL, just you can put your URL. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, get request, one get request you can create, put your URL there. Okay, handle the calls from your end.
Okay.
Okay, just try. If not, you can connect.
Okay.
Okay, remind people also who knows Java, .NET, PHP or others, try to create endpoints. Now you can start communicate or react with those endpoints. Okay.
Sir, I have one small doubt. If we have using JW tokens, can we pass JW token to that?
Yeah, as part of headers. That is our JWT. Okay, separate concept is there, right? There we can see.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Fine.
Yeah, I uploaded. Just you can work on this. Okay, this is today's notes. I paste it. Where is Kalam School site? The running notes, just go through this one. Okay, examples, programs are there, right? Try to practice those programs every day. 0408. Okay. Any questions? Anyone? Okay. If you're not having, just you can drop. Practice. Next 1 hour, you can practice. Replace next 1 hour. Immediately you have to practice. You don't have any work, right? You're not working, right? If people are not working, right?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow class is there or not? Weekend.
Tomorrow there. Sunday, we not take any sessions till end of our course. Sunday, we not take any sessions, but Saturday there. Monday to Saturday only. Okay, they asked like few of the members asked like for practice. Okay, that's not an issue for me. Okay, it may extend 1 more week. I think Sunday you can utilize for practicing purpose. Your wish. Okay. Okay, so practice and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, practice is important. See, if you're not able to understand, okay, that is okay, separate. Okay, if you're not able to understand means how much effort if you put also there is no use. You are able to understand, still you are not able to do means that is your problem. For that, you have to do more practice. See, you, me, or some other person, whoever it is, okay, by practicing only we can get the things. There is no other option for us. There is no other option for us. You got the point?
Sir, and if we wanted to call multiple APIs one after another, then
Yeah,
we
then
use
yeah,
dot then that
yeah,
type.
instead of that one, yeah, why is recommended one.
Okay, but if we wanted to use dot then second dot then the third
In
dot.
the second dot, then you have to add send a request. Okay, that is like maintainability is like very difficult, right? In that case, better to go with Await.
And sir, it is the whenever we are using dot, then only it will be fulfilled. Otherwise, it will be pending or
Pending or resolve. Okay, failed, like that.
Rejected.
Some statuses, yes. You can go through that. Our yourjava.com promise,
Yes.
right? Yes, go through that.
Sir, I have created WhatsApp group, so can I share?
I think already people created, right?
No, sir, I only talked to
This
you.
batch there is no group.
No.
Okay, we'll do one thing. Tomorrow morning you can share it. Many people also can join, right?
This is my number, so React is there.
Not number. Okay, WhatsApp group link you can share it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, WhatsApp group link. Okay, tomorrow morning you can share.
Okay, sir.
So that interested candidates you can join. Okay, it's not like force. Okay,
Yeah.
just interested candidates can join.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, then I uploaded. Just you can download and you can work on that one. Thank you guys. Bye.